Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to run through the difference between the new Bronco Pro Drum Smoker by Oklahoma Joe's and the old Standard Bronco. Now, one of the biggest and best differences I've noticed between the Pro and the Standard Bronco is the size of the charcoal basket. As you can see, the Pro's charcoal basket is double the size, if not a little bit more to the Standard, which is crazy because we've already been able to get 12 to 14 hour plus cooks out of the Standard Bronco with the charcoal basket it's got. So I'm tipping we're going to get 18, 20 hours plus out of that. Really exciting stuff. It's going to be perfect for them massive briskets, them really long cooks. It's going to be great out on the comp scene. I can't wait to really put it to the test. So let's have a look at some other differences. Now, obviously the cooking space is another key difference. I've always struggled to get a nice big brisket in the Standard Bronco. Not going to have that issue in the Pro as it boasts a 22-inch cooking grate. So let's have a closer look at it. As you can see, we've got a full pack of brisket here that is not even close to fitting in there. So let's have a look at how it fits in the Bronco Pro. So as you can see, that's a perfect fit. By the time I trim a centimetre or two off of that flat end, which I'd normally do as it's thin, that's going to fit in there nicely. And we've got the charcoal space to do it. That charcoal basket is going to give us the 14, 16, 18 hours, however long you want to smoke this brisket for. We're going to have no dramas doing it at all. All right, so another nice little addition they've added onto the back of the Bronco Pro, you obviously don't have it on the Standard one, is a place where you can put your team name or a brand. They've made up a plaque where you can take it off, go get it engraved or get a sticker made up, and wherever you take your Bronco, you'll be representing your brand or team name wherever you go. Obviously, there's a big difference in color. It's only an option, so don't stress. It's still available in black, but I really like the orangey yellow color. I think it's going to be a real head turner wherever you take it. And then lastly, the cooking height. Now, being a taller drum, it's going to be at a more natural cooking height for me, as opposed to using the Standard Bronco. If you're a bit shorter, then the Standard Bronco is probably going to be at a more suitable height for you. So that's all the key differences between the Pro and the Standard. I hope I've covered them all. If I've missed something, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Basically, it's just a bigger, better version of the Standard Bronco. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to get cooking on it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.